Okay, so what is the mirror image rule? The mirror image rule is a concept that applies to the offer and acceptance of a contract. It states that the acceptance of a contract has to be under terms identical to the offer. So I offer to sell you this for $10. You have to say, yes, I will purchase that for $10. And that would be a valid acceptance because the acceptance is a mirror image of the offer. If you change anything at all, then it is a counter offer. It is a rejection of my offer and a counter offer because it is not a mirror image of my offer. Now, this rule applies for any offer that does not concern the sale of goods. There's a different rule in place for the sale of goods. If an offer between individuals to sell goods, if either individual is not a merchant, in that case, basically any additional terms in an acceptance is thought of as a mere suggestion to be a part of the contract, but it's actually not a part of the contract. So I offer to sell you my Coke for $10, and you say, okay, I'll purchase it for $10, but you got to give me a warranty against tears. Okay. In that case, you've accepted. I send you the Coke, you send me the money. That was a mere suggestion. But say, for example, we're merchants dealing in goods of this kind. So we both deal in coats. In that case, the rule changes. Your acceptance with additional terms is not merely a suggestion. It actually becomes a part of the contract unless several conditions are met. One is if it changes the terms materially of the contract, then it does not automatically become part of the contract. Okay. In this case, a warranty probably would materially change the terms, so it wouldn't become part of the contract. Or if you expressly condition your acceptance upon these conditions. So yes, I'll pay you this if you give me a warranty, and then I send the code. Okay. And then you send $10. Me sending the code would signify that yes, okay, in effect, I'm accepting the terms, somewhat like a counteroffer, but I'm accepting the terms of your acceptance and I'm complying. So then the warranty provision will become a part of the contract. And then another situation would be, say, for example, you require that I expressly reject these terms, that if I don't expressly reject them, then it becomes a part of the contract. And then I acknowledge that, and then I continue on. In that case, my failure to specifically reject your additional terms means that I've accepted them. Okay. So then again, they will become part of the contract.